Pitching blind no more.
Hey guys, Mike here, unboxing a night vision enabled portable Wi-Fi camera called Hitch. The box here shows that it's made for people that work and play outside, such as RV or camper owners, farmers, equestrians, contractors, plumbers, mechanics, surveyors, hunters, and generally all kinds of outdoor enthusiasts. Now it says they have a free app that allows multiple people to view the same camera simultaneously via direct Wi-Fi connection. That means the cameras connect directly to your team's devices via Wi-Fi and don't require any kind of data plan to work. So let's open her up here. The SHO Night Vision Wi-Fi Cam is a single unit product, so you'll have to buy other cameras separately. There's no split screen function on the app yet, but you can select the camera feeds one by one. Once the camera is connected to your home router, you can view multiple camera feeds on your phone or tablet. It's got magnetic plates so you can mount your phone or tablet on the dash of your car. The camera has a magnetic base as well, so you can stick it pretty much anywhere. A USB charger, a block plus cable, an extra power cable if you want to hardwire it, screws and tabs if you want to mount somewhere permanently, and a coil clip, I guess, if you want to make sure the camera won't take fall damage if it gets knocked off.
You got it.
Thanks for watching, and if you like the Hitch, click the Amazon buy link.